Hey there, welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the chapter Desire as the Motive Power. This is going to give us understanding for becoming a master manifester. Okay? Because it's going to explain a fundamental, a principle to manifesting. Okay? Now, what is desire? Desire means wanting something. Motive means the reason for doing something. Power means the ability to do something. So desire is that hidden power to manifest. Okay? Now, desire is the precursor to manifesting. When you see something and you want it, or you have a feeling towards wanting something, if you're an inventor, that feeling is an indicator that you have the power to do. Desire is the indicator that you have the power to do. Desire is the indicator that you have the power to do. Okay? Now, how do we use this power? How do we use this desire, right, to do? Okay? Now, for you to manifest, you have to assume the feelings of the wish fulfilled. You have to be at a high vibration. High vibration is where your goal is at. Whenever we want something, we want it because it's going to make us feel good. It's going to make us feel good in a certain way. Okay? When I wanted my truck, it was confidence. Okay? Whew. Wow, that's just amazing. And some things you just want them because you just want them. Okay? And that's just fine. So to do that, to manifest it, you must visualize it as it and feel it as it is already done. For my kitten, for example, he's over there, Spike. He's growing up nice, little. He's about to be 2 years in December. I was touching his little knives, his little claws. I was in my imagination in the middle of the day. I never visualized it in the morning or in the night. It was in the middle of the day. Okay, and things in my home. Also, I visualize them throughout the day. But Bob Proctor, my coach, says visualize in the morning, midday, and night. Up to 20 minutes. At most 20 minutes. You can do 2 minutes. Sit down, relax, flash that image in your head, move around, do the thing that you're doing, and feel it. Okay? Feel like you're doing it. Because you're going to get the feeling right away. Or you can ask yourself, if you really want to get the exact feeling, you say in words, like ask yourself, how do I feel now that I have X, right? Your goal. And the feeling's going to pop up, it's going to emerge from within. And just feel it. Feel it in every cell of your being. Move it, feel it here, and move it out. And now you're going to feel really amazing and just go out throughout your day and be in flow. Okay, take the actions, the power. And this is how you do it. Ask yourself, what are 3 things I can do today that will help me reach my goal? And then ask yourself, what is that one thing I need to do? Out of all these 3 things, what is that one thing that will make everything easier or irrelevant? Right? For example, when I was in college, to get my paper done by the due date in 2 weeks, what is the one thing I can do such that by doing it will make everything easier or irrelevant? It's write 1 page. Okay, write a page. Begin writing it. And I got this from my mentor, Dr. Stevenson at UCLA. She would tell me, write 1 page a day. And I said, okay. I was like, okay, if I write 1 page a day, like Dr. Stevenson said, I would have more than enough. I would have 14 pages when it's only 10 of the requirement. And I'm like, okay. And see, because I was asking, and everything was coming to me as I was asking these questions. As the right answer, Ask the right questions, you'll get the ask the best questions, you'll get the best answers. Okay? And then you take action. Okay? Now you're visualizing, you're taking action every day. Okay, this is where a lot of people knock the law of attraction. Oh, well, you're just sitting there. No, you're working. Okay? You wake up, brush your teeth. It just takes like what, 5 minutes to brush your teeth? 2 minutes? Doctors recommend like 2 minutes brushing your teeth. All right, you can shower, take another 2 minutes, or I don't know how long you take. Or just get to work. Just get to work. That's it. Do those 3 things. Maybe more. You get those three things done. It's only 9 a.m. Excuse me. Go do some more. Okay? And that's how you use desire. Okay? If you have that desire inside of you, you have the ability to do it. So write down 3 things that will help you get to your goal and do it. Before you know it, you look back, you're like, oh shoot, I have 2 degrees from UCLA. Or oh shoot, I have a 6-pack. Oh shoot, I have my own apartment. Oh shoot, I got that truck that I was visualizing. All right? Or I have that business that we were talking about now and I visualized. So it's happened to me. All right? Desire is a fundamental process, okay? Desire is part of the process and it's a fundamental. But know that you have to take that desire and take it as a note to yourself or a sign that says, oh, you can have that. Now feel like you have it. Own it now. See it now. And start taking action in that vibration. And if you can't get in a high vibration, begin with gratitude. Gratitude will change your life because it'll make you feel grateful for what you have. And it's a high vibration. And say thank you to God. And you're connected with God. There you go. You say thank you to something. Say thank you for something. And you'll be linked to God. God is the creator of all things. That is the highest energy, the highest power, it is all in all. Okay? It is the all. So once you're grateful, you're linked. And now move toward creating what you want. I feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled. Okay? I hope you like this one. Until next time, peace.